Alright everybody, Rolling Hills Casino. We're starting from the South Tower. Gonna walk through. It's 100 degrees outside. Ooh. Here we go. Let's take a walk here. They got games right here on the right hand side.
I've never driven a truck with one of those. Yeah.
Tournament center. The outside patio. Then as you come in here on the right hand side is the non-smoking section. Let's take a walk through here real quick. Lightning links. And then next to the non-smoking section is Rock and Brew's restaurant. That's cool. Check it out. They got the Aristocrat Classics right in the middle here. Rock and Brew restaurant. And then they have they make their own beer, I believe, here. City and Spirits. They got the bubble crabs. As you can see, she's already over here about to play. Oh wow. What's cool is that they have their self-serve drinks and coffee. Now we've walked into the smoking section here. A lot of games I haven't seen before. But they have all the games we like to play. What is this redemption center? There's like tickets? I'm not sure. Alright, let's walk back. Monopoly Express. Buffalo Link. Gold jackpot. Phoenix Link. Let's take a walk back over here in case I missed something. Oh, wow, bro. A lot of Buffalo games here. Walk over here on the outside. 6 to 8. Is this like a bar? Flaming Wings. Foo Bamboo. That's a new one. Alright, I'm gonna walk back over through this way. Which we're over at. Yeah, this place has a lot of Buffalo games compared to others. 2 banks of Phoenix Links. Puff and Puff Band. Oh, look at this game. This is what she would like to play. Ultimate Fire Link. Jumanji, Wheel of Fortune, Kong. So there's the main entrance over there on the right. Security guard standing there already. So they have Fat Burger here, steakhouse. Oh, they have a claw game here. Look at that. Cool. So this place does have a lot of Link games. So look at this. Dollar Storm. More Buffalo games. Well, let's walk over in this section here. Over by the front entrance. So there's the bar in the middle here, and we're gonna go check out this area. If you come in from the main entrance on the right hand side, this is where we'll be walking through right now, and then we're gonna probably walk into the high limit area right next to it. Dancing drums. Get the pot games. Cash machine. I don't know when the day I'll win on that cash machine game. So, high limit area. High limit area has a lot of 3 reels. It's like all 3 reels in here. All real games. Check this out. You can actually go buy some snacks here too. Cool, let's get a drink. What can we get here? What do they have? So, Mountain Dew. Let's try Mountain Dew. I heard that it's not good for you. You know Mountain Dew's banned in some certain countries. Isn't that crazy? I don't know what country it is. Anybody tell me? So let's walk around and notice if anybody is winning any jackpots. Rumor is, not a rumor, but comments are saying that everywhere from Hard Rock, Oroville, and up, there's not that many people winning jackpots. The slot machines are tight. And we're gonna try that out this weekend. So here's the bar. Center bar, everybody playing keno video poker. I'm gonna walk over here and take a look. And they do have table games here. They have the old school shoot to win craps by a ruse over here. Yeah, Railroad Riches is the second bank of them. Timberjack, Rocket Rumble, Coin Trio. And they also have roulette. I think that's interblock roulette. Compare the amount of Buffalo games here to everything else. You're gonna hear that all night long. Buffalo. Yeah, a lot of games that I haven't seen before. A lot of new ones. Werewolf. Golden Phoenix. then this is the North Tower entrance. We'll take a look over here real quick because they got the Double Down Cafe right here. Donuts, coffee, and more. Espresso. All right, let's continue. Got the Dragon Links over here by the Players Club. The old slot machines over here. Oh, we went on this Diamond Trails at Gold Ranch Casino. Ba ba boom blast. Check that. Check that out. I want to play that later. See how it is. There's your table games. Lion Links here. And of course your Dragon Links, Lightning Links. All the games you like to play. Wow, someone got a hand pay on a $5 bet. Nice. There we go. Table games. No craps though. Wow, what do they have over here? This is called the Video Poker and Keno Room. Let's go take a walk. So over here is Fat Burger and Buffalo's Wings. This is the Cave, Video Poker and Keno. Oh, wow, all you Keno lovers. Oh, Video Poker and Keno all day long. Nice. Ultimate Fire Links. All over. All the games we play. Atomic Duck. Never heard of that game. And the Pug game. Hate this game. Spent like a few hundred on that game, didn't get anything. And Money Catch. Alright, that's about it, everybody. That is Rolling Hills Casino. We're gonna try our luck pretty soon here. But this walking tour is probably gonna come after us, after the other video of us staying here. So thank you for joining. Thank you for joining us. Can't talk. Look at her playing the bubble craps machine over there. All right. Rolling Hills Casino, everybody. Thank you for tuning in. On to the next one. Oh, it doesn't look like she did good.
No,
No?
I'm
She
just
just-
setting good. It's just,
No?
waiting for you.
Okay.